The following is an excerpt from an askSlim premium level video. Follow us on YouTube, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and do subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Share it. There's tons that come out every single week. Follow us on Twitter at askSlim, and write to Matt at askSlim.com for trial memberships. We have trial memberships available for all of our levels, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And go to the askSlim.com website for details. Thank you, and enjoy the video. Here is the stock market. We're going to look at the S&P 500, but I also want to talk about the Russell. We had expected that the market would roll over and we'd see a dip to 25.66 we said in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Well, that didn't happen, there was an improvement in momentum right now, so that's going to raise our targets in here as time passes by. We talked about that last week. As we'll switch over here and look at the S&P 500. What we said last week is that the longer the market holds up, the higher the projection is going to be, and the less time there is to fall. It did hold up, and you could see right here as it was looking like it was trying to roll over. Momentum got neutral right over here as we talked about last week. Momentum turned positive right over here, and now we're using up all of the corrective time. Here's your day here right over there today, and that is suggestive that there is only something like 3 to 5 days of correction right over here. We've raised our projection right over here to about 27.20, 27.30 right in here, and then likely moving up again. So that's still 115 points on the downside. This is the older projection. We left that in just in case we start to get some really big selling, but I think it's very likely that you're going to get a minor dip right in here. Yes, minor, over 100 points in the S&P over the next 3 to 5 days, and then moving up again. If this turns out to be one of those really shallow things in here, then the odds are going to be high that we're going to get above that 29.50 area right there after this correction is over. So what we're really looking for is a pretty good size move, a move down towards this 27.30 area, and then a move back up towards this 29.50 area, kind of a chop in here. And then out over here is where those risks are going to pick up again significantly to the downside, but not now. This is a bullish pattern that's going on. It's this intermediate pattern and this improved momentum situation that says look for a correction, look for it to be mild, probably worst case 27.30, and then probably pushing up here towards the 29.50 area. Don't look for the NASDAQ to be the leader in here. We think it's going to be the Russell that is going to be the one that actually shows more strength in the market, and we think that the pair trade of the Russell versus the NASDAQ is going to be a pretty good trade. Some of the evidence is intermediate momentum is negative. The monthly pattern's turning down in a really big way, and we think that what we have here is a big rebound in a big bad bear market going on. So we're going to look for this choppy situation in here, prices falling but not staying down, and then moving up back towards that 29.50 area before this upside correction is over.